the remedy amongst all remedies. Radiator stop leak. Don't tell me none of that shit about no leaky moly stop leak, no what other brand stop leak. This is the one. This is the one. I've used them all, Waynes. I've used them all. Liquid moly, expensive shit. But let's say 55 rands a bottle, man. 55 rands a bottle like this. A bottle like this. Then your cooling system leaks will be resolved. Trust me. Trust me when I say this. This is the one. This is the one. Radiator Stop Leak by Shield. Listen guys, it's thicker than all the other brands that I've tried. It works very quick. Very quick. I tell you, very quick. Less than 5 minutes, leak done. So don't tell me none of that shit. None of that bullshit. You get what I mean? None of that. This is it, guys. Shield Radiator Stop Leak. You know what? Guys, Shield is the one. Feel like I'm gonna start being loyal to Shield products after that. I do like me some liquid moly, but stop leak, man. Come on. What? Guys, this stopped a leak that couldn't be stopped by all those other brands. Liquid mollies, Waynes, all of those top brands, expensive brands. I've put them in there, never worked. This guy, you don't even finish a bottle of this, guys, in like whatever amount that you put in half bottle. Guy, you listen, you do not need to go through the whole bottle. You do not need to go through the whole bottle. Those are the instructions at the back there. Just follow those. Just follow those. Just follow those. Don't act smart. Just follow the instructions as is. And then you'll be winning. I tell you what, guys.